Hey guys, it is KeepCalm and Sing On 123, and I'm going to be singing Payphone by Maroon 5, and there's like the no rap parts, and it's instrumental. So here we go. The payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not there next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever afters did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. You turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I've said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever afters did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. Thanks for watching. Sorry, like, I kind of skipped some of the words. Like, I know in the beginning I didn't do I did like payphone, so yeah. And then, like, I said when our love or like something like that. I know I messed up like twice, and sorry my hair is like really weird right now, but yeah. So thanks for watching. I'm probably gonna do another video on Take a Bow by Rihanna because I really love that song. So have a great day. Bye.